Here is the AROMA wireless XLR transmitter receiver. This is what it looks like here. Here's the receiver, here's the transmitter. You do get a charging cable and these will charge at the same time. Here's a little bit closer look at the transmitter right there. Very nice for XLR mics. Here's the receiver, same thing. Very easy, just power on right there, and you can actually change frequency by hitting the power button. So this is gonna go to your mic. All right, so you can see the lights on here. If I change it on here, it's going to change on the receiver. If you run into any issues plugging this in and you hear some hissing or distortion, you may have to adjust your gain and some other things on there to get rid of that. But very, very easy to use. Just truly plug and play. This is UHF wireless technology, so you're not using 2.4 or 5.8 gigahertz. You have a lot less interference with there. Also, when charging this, you're going to have to use a USB-A to USB-C. You can't do USB-C to USB-C. I do want to thank AROMA for sending this to me. My honest opinion of this, I really like it. A little bit of a learning curve where I had to deal with adjusting my gain and some things to get rid of the distortion. But most people aren't going to have that issue. Just plug and play and you're ready to go.